Hello, this is Nicholas, and I'm very happy to show you the hack I made for the Monday Hackathon. It's an app called SeatMap that will help any office manager to have a better idea of who's coming to the office, specifically now after COVID. The idea is that you have a board here where you manage different weeks and you want to know who is going to come and where they're going to be sitting in the office, making sure that social distancing is enforced. You can do this manually and everybody can sign up, but it could be a bit cumbersome. So I came up with a better idea. Let me show you how it works. The first thing to do is to connect to your Seats.io account. This is the app we use to do the floor planning. So I'm connecting to my account and I designed myself as the admin of this app. And here I have access to all the different floor plans. We have two offices, two locations, one in San Francisco, one in Barcelona. And if I can go edit them and design a new floor plan. This is using the embedded designer from Seats.io. And here I have the luxury of adding or removing chairs, deciding how they should be called, and what are the different types of desks that are available for my employees. Once I'm happy with my design, I can just go back and I will just need to add a new event related to this floor plan. An event, what it is, it's a week, it's a day. It really depends on the time that people want to use in the office. But let's say it's a week for us, and we just want to get people started for next week and register for next week and save their spots. So we give it a name. We say which floor plan we want to use. This is the San Francisco office. If we want to enforce social distancing, and then we can also restrict to a specific team inside your Monday organization. So let's create this new event. And then this is the interface that your colleagues are going to see. This is where they're going to come and pick their own desk and say, this is where I want to work for the week. As you see, social distance has been applied. Some tables are going to grayed out. This is now a way to space people between the company. So once you're happy, you book your sit. And now the seat has been booked. It has been assigned to you. And if we go back to the main table, now I have my name listed under the week 37. If we look at the interface of someone else, they will go through the similar process. They go see all the different events, look at the week 37, and book their own seats and book their seats. And as they're booking their seats, you see their name on the list. If they're not happy, they can always release the seats, and it goes back to the inventory. Like this, easily you know who's coming to the office, and you can be ready to be better organized when this time comes. I hope you like it.